Hello and welcome to Pic-Time. I'm Lauren, here to show you how to create your first gallery with Pic-Time and start transforming the way you deliver to your clients. When you log into your Pic-Time account for the first time, you'll be prompted to create a client gallery. You can name your gallery, add the date, the occasion, any description you want, and you can change the language if you need. Then you can upload meaningful photos and videos, organizing them into scenes to tell a story and help your clients navigate their gallery. I love to use the slideshow creator to quickly turn the photos into a short video for social media or a cover for the gallery. You can style your gallery and shop in the Design tab, where we have lots of different presets, color options, and different font sets. And you can also design your gallery and scene covers to include your Pic-Time designed slideshows, GIFs, and videos, which fully transforms the entire gallery experience for your clients. We also have a full video on how to design the gallery if you want to learn more. Then you can adjust various gallery permissions in the Gallery Setup tab. First, we can set the gallery to private, meaning only people you or your client invites can access the gallery. After you have a watermark uploaded to your account, you can set its visibility for certain scenes and for different types of clients. But since we haven't uploaded one yet, this option isn't available. The Gallery Setup tab is also where you'll find the download permissions. You can easily enable free high resolution and web resolution downloads and set a certain amount of free downloads. We also have another video on all the different ways you can set up downloads if you want to learn more. In the Shop tab, you can assign a price list that you've created, and then that shop will be connected to the gallery so your clients can easily browse and buy products seamlessly. You can also add sales automations to encourage them to purchase, but if this is your first gallery, you don't need to add these yet. Then you can save the gallery as a template, which will save all your settings, design, and scene names for your next gallery. You also don't have to share this first gallery you make with any clients yet, since we haven't set up things like our logos or customized the shop. But this Share tab is where you can invite people to the gallery. In Pic-Time, there are different user types that can be assigned to your gallery guests, allowing you to set different levels of download permissions, scene and watermark visibility, even creating targeted sales for specific user types. Add your main client's name and email, then click Send to Client and include a personal message to invite them to view their gallery. They'll receive the email and be able to create their account, connecting them to this and any other galleries you share with them in the future. They can easily browse, download, and share the gallery media, and also use the AI search to find and create collections of their favorite images, and then, of course, they can turn those images into prints through the shop. You can also check out how the gallery and shop looks at any time and purchase products yourself by clicking Preview Gallery. Pic-Time also has a mobile app where you can access the galleries on the go, download your favorite images to your phone, and share galleries immediately with guests and vendors with a QR code. Now that you've set up your first gallery with Pic-Time, be sure to check out our other videos, visit the Help Center, or explore our blog to learn how to set up your account and explore more ways to elevate your photography business.